I'm going to give you 7 healthy eating habits to try. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 7, get plenty of protein. Some experts claim that overall humans consume plenty of protein, yet more recent research shows that we are in need of more. Many people consume adequate protein to ward off deficiencies, but increasing their protein intake would contribute to improved health. And at least one randomized controlled study found that participants who ate more protein burned more calories per day, even during sleep. Even better, increased protein intake increased energy expenditure of fat instead of muscle. Number 6, eat more veggies and a variety of fruits. Many people feel they eat enough produce, but in reality, many of us could do more. Nutritional guidelines now promote consuming 5 to 9 servings of a combination of vegetables and fruits each day, while many nutritional experts believe it could be closer to 10 servings per day. 1 serving is equivalent to about 1 cup, and a large salad can easily fill 3 servings, while a breakfast of 1 apple and some berries can fulfill another 2 servings. Number 5, think about your drink. Forget the sodas and sugar-filled juice drinks. Fresh water still packs the most benefits and assists your body's natural detoxing and cleansing processes. Drinking enough water not only prevents dehydration, but can help your body maintain a normal temperature, lower your risk for constipation and kidney stones, and even improve your energy levels. Start today to leave aside sodas and sugary drinks and drink more water. Number 4, plan and prep. Eating healthy every day can be a challenge, especially when stress and life get in the way. Meal planning and prepping ahead of time makes nutritious eating easier. When healthy meals are planned and ready to eat, it reduces temptation to reach for junk foods or unhealthy snack foods. Find healthy recipes online and create a weekly menu where you can see it each week. Meals can be made easy by proportioning proteins like chicken breasts or lean protein and freezing them ahead of time. Number 3, make a habit of mindful eating. Mindful eating means to pay attention to your food. Thanks to our busy lifestyles, eating while reading, watching TV, or driving are common eating habits of many people. Only eat when you can focus on your meal and enjoy it. Mindful eating teaches us to pay attention to what we eat and to slow down and enjoy it. This is beneficial for portion control and choosing healthy foods and aids digestion. Eating while under stress or in a hurry can interfere with digestive enzymes and interrupt the digestive process. Number 2, enjoy healthy, fun foods. We all need a break sometimes, and mealtime has always been a time for enjoyment and celebration. But fun foods don't always have to be unhealthy. Add interest to your healthy eating plan, choose some of your favorite foods and recreate them at home with healthier ingredients. Skip the fast food burger and opt for grass-fed beef with plenty of fresh or sauteed vegetables on top. You'll soon find that healthy meals don't have to leave you feeling deprived. Number 1, exercise regularly. Exercise has always been a part of a healthy lifestyle, but it can also help contribute to healthier eating habits too. Maintaining an active lifestyle naturally boosts energy and can improve your confidence, which will motivate you to eat healthier. Regular exercise can help reduce stress levels, which eliminates the desire for stress eating, and it can help you better manage your fitness goals. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to discover 7 benefits of having a workout partner. That's it. That's all. See you next time.